Welcome to this Getting Started with Touch Day video. In this video, we're going to cover the main things you'll want to do to get your digital welcome book finished and ready to start sharing with your guests. Let's start by heading over to the dashboard. In the Profile and Logo tab, you can update your name, profile picture or logo, and guest contact details. Once you're happy with these, click back to the My Properties tab and click on your property name in the table. This opens up the property details page. First up, please check the address is correct and that the map is showing the right location. If not, please let us know through the support tab. You'll probably want to add your own cover photo to your welcome book. This can be done in the cover photos section. You'll need one photo cropped in landscape orientation for desktop viewing and one in portrait for mobile viewing. They must be at least 1,000 pixels on their longest side. If the image you upload does not meet these requirements, then it will not be available to be set as a cover image. Next, scroll down and update the welcome message and photo or video that appears at the top of your welcome book. Now, let's head over to Content Hub, where we can check and update the main content of the welcome book. Here you will find all the sections in your welcome book organized into categories, such as About the Accommodation. There's also subcategories, such as Appliance Instructions. And finally, topics, where you actually enter the content, such as air conditioning or kitchen equipment. You can also reorder any of the content using the little arrow here. Just select the item to move, and then choose where to drop it underneath. To change the content of a topic, use the Actions button, and then select Edit Text. This will open a text box with various formatting tools. New headers and content can be added using the Add button for the relevant section. We have suggestions for many elements, or you can add your own. When adding your own, you choose to add it as a manual topic, where you enter all the details yourself, or a Google place. With a Google place, we connect to Google and you can search for a place, such as local restaurants and attractions. We'll then pull data from Google about those places for you. To rename any topic, simply click the name of the topic and you'll be able to edit the text. Photos and videos can be added to topics by using the option in the Actions button. Finally, you can preview how your welcome book is coming along at any time by clicking on the Preview My Welcome Book button at the top of the screen. Once you're ready to start sharing with guests, then head back over to your property page and the Share tab. Here you'll find a quick share link to simply send to your guests through email or your property booking system. Or, if you prefer, you can send a unique invitation to each guest by email or SMS text. With unique invitations, you can keep some elements of your welcome book hidden until just before your guest stay begins. More details on that feature can be found in the Frequently Asked Questions or the Sharing with Guests tutorial video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then there are more detailed videos on the Getting Started page, and you can always send us a message through the support tab. And once you've signed up for Touch Day, be sure to join us at the secret Facebook group, Touch Day Rockstars. Over there, we share different Touch Day tips and live videos and comments and get ideas from one another.